Hello, today I'm going to be doing a plan with me. It's for the week before Halloween, so I'm doing a spread from The Shining, the Stanley Kubrick's movie, which is absolutely wonderful. For this spread, I'm going to be using a few stickers which I just printed off of the internet. I googled The Shining illustrations and a few of these came up and I just printed them on regular sticker paper. I use the Avery removable sticker paper and it's been okay so far, but I'm still looking for a different brand of sticker paper. So if you know something that's better, just let me know in the comments. This is from the carpet pattern of The Shining, and I made little strips of these to use like washi. These are going to be the Tombow pens that I'm using. Again, all my supplies would be linked in the comments below. I also drew these little chibis the other day of the Gertie twins from Shining, the Come Play With Us Forever and Ever and Ever. They turn out really cute, so I made that on sticker paper and I'm just going to place it down on my planner spread. Yeah, I kind of like this arrangement right now, so I'm just going to start placing my borders and drawing them out with my Tombows, and then I'll be placing down my stickers. Now that we have that, I'm going to distress it with some of my Tim Holtz distress inks. I have a few of these neutral colors. One's antique linen, walnut stain, and vintage photo. I'm going to use these to distress my page and give it more of a grungy look. I've seen that mixing different colors ends up giving a more deep, natural look rather than just using one color. I'm just going to test it out on that. But I don't like how this ink pad is giving these little circles, so I'm probably going to use a different one. This was the cheap one I got at Walmart. It was like 50 cents or something, and it was like really cheap, but it works really well for what I use this. The reason I'm placing my inks before actually going over this, before adding the stickers, is because once you place the stickers down and then do the distressing, the stickers end up forming a lip and would form almost a border, which I don't want in this case. Sometimes that's exactly what you want, but for today's spread, that's not the route I want to go. Now that it's distressed, I'm going to add all my stickers. This is a little bigger than what I want, so I'm just going to trim it. So while these stickers are kind of nice, it's still a little too even. Go over it with distressings. That kind of tied it in with this background color. That's a lot better. I'm gonna do the same distressing for these stickers as well. Now I'm placing down my washi. I'm matching up the patterns here to get one longer strip of washi which could run all the way on top. I'm just giving it thicker borders to just tie it all together. And for this, I'm just using my regular black Tombow. So that looks more like a frayed movie poster. So I'm adding some of my Tombow reds into these stickers just to tie it all together. Because black usually shows through sticker paper, I'm just gonna go over it with whiteout. So this, I did it upside down to just match this. A little wording here and here for the creep factor. And now I'm just gonna finish up by filling out my regular week. Just making it look like it's blood surrounding my planner spread, just to make it a little more creepy and fun for Halloween. And there you have it, a completed planner spread featuring The Shining. Hope you all have a happy Halloween, happy trick-or-treating, and stay safe.